Exercise 2.9. Here we combine the if function with an operator, and that operator is called AND. So let's see how can we use the combination of if and AND. So here we have a list of names and comes with their ages. If someone's age is between 4 and 16, then the condition should be school-going age. And if not within this range, then should be may not go to school. So if it's 14, it's within this range, so it should be school-going age. But 2 should be may not go to school. So let's start the if function. And in the logical test part, since we have two conditions have to be met at the same time, which are larger than or equal to 4 and smaller than or equal to 16. So you can say larger than equal to 4 or smaller than equal to 16, but in that case you actually will cover everything because you use the operator or. In this case, these two conditions have to be met at the same time, so we use the operator AND. With the operator AND, we can have several logical functions, and those logical functions need to be met at the same time. So this one should be the input is larger than or equal to 4 as logical 1, and logical 2 would be the input should be smaller than or equal to 16. Here we have two conditions, and those two conditions need to be met at the same time, so we use the operator AND. And if that's true, then we give the outcome as school-going age. If it's not, then may not go to school. Close parentheses, and let's fix some dollar signs. B3, it should be flexible, we leave it, and F1, we need to move it downwards, so lock it by the row. B3 flexible again, H1 lock it by the row, D1, D2 are the same. Okay, let's try that. It works perfectly. This is exercise 2.9. We have tried one operator called AND. In the upcoming exercise, we will try a few other operators. See you next time.